Hi, guys. I know we have all been reaching out to our databases and calling them, texting them, making sure that they are all right in this time. But I'm going to show you a way to use command with Mailchimp to send out a marketing email with resources that they can use while they're in quarantine. All right. So I'm just going to present. First things first, we are always going to log into command. If you do not already have your Mailchimp account attached to your command, or you don't have contacts in your command, so if that's you, reach out to KWRI and we can help you get those first steps started. If you do have Mailchimp already set up and you do have your contacts in command, this is what we're going to do. Okay. On the left-hand side, you will see an icon that says campaigns. You're going to select that. And we are going to create a new campaign when this is done loading. Okay. We want to do an email campaign. It will automatically take you to this configuration steps. Now you have to have an email list already set up, and that was part of the Mailchimp being connected to your command. If you did that already, you automatically have a email list. But if you wanted to double check, I could just go back to emails, and right here it says configure lists. If I select that, I'll see which list I have and how many people are on it. Now, if you made this maybe a couple months ago and you added new contacts since then, you can just click add and select which contacts are not on there. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to create a new campaign. Yes, and emails. You have to have a name. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to say is COVID-19 resources. The account I want it to come from is my KW. Who are you sending this to? You have to select this drop down, and the only list that you have, that part I just showed you, configure. I connect it. I do want this to come from Trisha Vogel. Again, if they reply to this, it's going to come to my KW email and then the subject. I'm going to keep it this. You guys can absolutely change it. You can make it more creative, maybe more clickable. Just don't make it false to what you're sending. Now, this is the best part where you click Apply Design. KWRI already has these templates where you have a newsletter style 1 and newsletter style 2. I'm going to show you newsletter style 2 because it breaks it into 3 sections already. And all you have to do is hyperlink a button out, which is exactly what we're going to do. We're just going to link out to other things. Okay. So this first section on the right-hand side is my header up here. So you can see, since I have my marketing profile already complete, this stuff is automatically filled out for me. I am double checking. Okay, I have to have my designations. If you guys are on the board, which you should be, you are considered a realtor. Okay, my email title. And again, you can do quarantine resources, Bucks County. I don't know if it's just me, but I think quarantine is really hard to spell. Okay, so in my first section, what I'm going to put is stay healthy Okay, and my description is going to be keep active with these online streaming classes. Town Athletic Club, that's fine. Right here, you have to have a photo. So I went to Facebook and went straight to Town Athletic Club. Now, in their Facebook page, they have the links to classes, videos, live, see? So I'm just linking the Facebook page. So what I'm going to do is copy this URL at the top, come back here, and it's the CTA link one. And the button copy is going to be down. Oops. You can make it something different. You could say videos, videos here. Okay. Now you do want a photo. That part might be a little bit harder. Oops, I don't want to see that. So let's see if I can just, nope, of course not. Come into here. And I'm going to save an image of it. Okay. I like having the logo. So I'm just going to save that to my desktop. I'm going to come back to here and where it says drag and drop browser files. I'm going to take that one right off the desktop. Where do you guys? Okay. And this is my first story. The second thing you can do is, okay, my second headline will go right here. So we can say restaurants still open for takeout. Help out a local business by ordering in. Here is a list of places still open. Now again, all I did was Google this and it's the first thing that came up. Okay, and it's this first article from Patch, which Yardley restaurants are still open for delivery or takeout. Again, I'm going to copy that link, go back to my campaign. Click for list. Okay, and then I just want to pull in another photo. So let's see what we have here. I don't recommend using the same photo as them. This is just an example. Okay, no one wants to get in trouble. So if you can find a different restaurant photo, use that one. If you have taken a picture of your food before, use that one. Again, I'm just using that as an example. Okay. I've been putting your mobile app. It's something that people can download and use for free while they're stuck at home. They can search for homes, be nosy and see what their house is worth or what others are selling for. They can look up anywhere they want. It's just a resource that, they can play with while they're bored. You might as well get it out to as many people as possible. So here in the headline, I'm going to put download my free mobile app to see what's going on in your neighborhood. Okay. Now again, button copy. Oops. I'm going to put as download. And the link is going to be your mobile app link. Now, if your marketing profile was filled out correctly, you can scroll all the way back to the top and select this app URL again. I know that mine is correct. I'm going to paste it in there. And then again, all you need is a photo. So I am going to go back to Google. And I'm going to say KW mobile images. Oh, these are all the old ones. We don't want that. All right, so I like this one. And again, I'm just going to drag it to my desktop. Go back to create campaign and drop that photo. Okay. Okay, again, my footer is already done from my marketing profile. And I'm going to click apply design. It makes you select a team logo if you're not on a team. I put the Keller Williams one just for a second time. And I had been just keeping the KW because the whole thing doesn't fit. And apply design. Okay, you'll be able to select a preview and see exactly what your newsletter will look like. This is everyone on your Mailchimp will be able to see this. Okay, you can check your links in here. Okay, I know that my app link works. It's directly connected to me. I can check my restaurants, make sure that that works. And then the videos here will take them directly to Facebook. Now, they do have to have a Facebook account, obviously, but they don't have to have liked NAC's page. It will open up for them no matter what. Okay. So if I like how it looks, I'm just going to click this X out and select send. The reason I'm not doing that is because I already sent one out. So I'm just going to save mine as a draft. But you will then be able to see under campaigns and emails an overview of how they did. So here's my COVID-19 campaign, the one I did already mail. Okay, it got opened 7 times. No one clicked anything, but none bounced. Okay, if I want to see a preview of the campaign, all right. So you can see your insights on that as well. All right. If you guys have any questions along the way, just let me know. That whole thing took about 15 minutes. Okay. Enjoy.